I want you to understand one thing from the beginning. Subsistence farming is learning by doing. Nobody learns farming from book alone. You learn with your hands, your eyes, and patience. Now let us start from the very beginning, step by step, from bare ground to food on your table. What subsistence farming means, in simple words. Subsistence farming means you are farming first to eat, not to sell. You plant so your house will not lack food. If food is plenty later, you can sell small. But eating comes first. This type of farming can be done in your backyard, beside your house, on a small piece of land, inside bags, buckets, or containers. You do not need big land. You need sense, care, and consistency. Step 1. Look at your land like a farmer. Now look down at the ground where you are standing. Ask yourself these 3 simple questions. 1. Does water stay here or run away fast? 2. Is the soil very hard like stone or soft like bread? 3. Does grass grow here naturally? If grass can grow, food can grow. If the soil is very hard, use hoe to break it. Mix dry leaves, animal waste, or old food waste inside. If the place floods, make raised beds, soil higher than ground, or plant in bags and containers. If you don't have land, use rice bags, buckets, old paint containers. Make small holes under them so water can pass out. Anywhere soil can stay, farming can start. Step 2. Clearing the land, do not rush. Use cutlass or hoe. Remove bushes. Remove big roots. Do not burn everything. Burning kills the life inside the soil. After clearing, leave small grasses and leaves. Mix them into the soil. This feeds the soil. Soil is like a person. If you don't feed it, it will not work well. Step 3. Prepare the soil. This is very important. Good soil is soft, dark, and smells fresh. To make soil good, add dry leaves. Add animal dung, goat, chicken, cow. Add kitchen waste, not plastic. Mix everything together with hoe. Leave it for some days. Let sun and air touch it. This is how soil becomes strong. Step 4. Choosing crops. Do not plant everything. Do not plant many things at once. That is where many people fail. Start with crops that grow fast, are used daily, are strong. Best crops for beginners: ugu, okra, spinach, efo, pepper, tomatoes, small quantity. These crops forgive mistakes. Avoid maize and rice at first. They need too much care. Step 5. Planting. This is how to do it. Let us plant together. For vegetables, make small lines with hoe. Drop seed. Cover lightly with soil. Do not bury seed deep. Seed needs air to breathe. For pepper and tomatoes, plant in nursery first, small bed. After 2 to 3 weeks, move to main soil. Water gently after planting. Step 6. Watering. Not too much, not too small. Water is life, but too much water kills. Best time to water: early morning, evening. Do not water under hot sun. Touch the soil. If it feels dry, water. If it feels wet, wait. Plants drink slowly, not like humans. Step 7. Weeds, your daily work. Weeds steal food from crops. Remove weeds. With hand, with hoe. Do not allow weeds to grow taller than your crops. If you remove weeds early, farming becomes easy. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Step 8. Pests and insects. Do not panic. Insects will come. That is normal. Do not rush to chemicals. Simple methods. Pick insects with hand. Use neem leaves soaked in water. Sprinkle wood ash around plant base. Check leaves every morning. A farmer who looks daily rarely loses crops. Step 9. Feeding the crops. After some weeks, crops will look hungry. Signs: yellow leaves, slow growth. Feed them with animal dung mixed with water, compost, Small quantity of fertilizer if available. Do not overfeed. Too much food burns plants. Step 10. Harvesting, the joy stage. Harvest when crops are ready. Do not wait too long. Vegetables grow again when cut properly. Harvesting is not the end. It is encouragement to plant again. Step 11. Keep record. Very simple. You don't need big book. Just remember, when you planted, what worked, what failed. Experience is your teacher. Step 12. Turn learning into habit. Farming is not magic. It is showing up every day. Even if you are tired, go and look. Touch the soil, check leaves. Plants respond to attention. Final word, from one farmer to another. Subsistence farming removes fear from your life. When food is sure, your heart rests. Start small, make mistakes, learn, improve. The land does not laugh at beginners. It only waits for commitment. If you follow these steps slowly, patiently, and honestly, you will eat from your own hands. And once that happens, you are no longer just a farmer. You are free.